We helped a homeless veteran go from sleeping in his car to winning a $3,456 a month VA disability claim for life. When we met him, this Marine was living in survival mode. No income, no support, and absolutely no idea that he qualified for thousands of dollars in tax-free benefits. Like most veterans, he was never taught the system, never shown how the VA really works. So we sat down with him and said, "Let's fix this together." We started by showing him how to request his full service and medical records through the VA's Blue Button tool and FOIA requests. Once we had his files, we guided him through what the VA really looks for in a claim, the Caluza Triangle. It's simple in theory, but devastating if misunderstood. You need 3 things: a current diagnosis, proof of an in-service event or injury, and a nexus connecting the two. Miss one, and your claim's dead on arrival. So we went hunting. We found documentation of his chronic back pain diagnosis in his recent medical files. Then we matched it to a pattern of in-service injuries from his time on active duty, combat patrols, repeated physical trauma, and even a documented fall during a field op. That gave us 2 points of the triangle. The third, and most powerful, was the Nexus statement. Here's where we used Vet Mentor AI. We fed it everything: his MOS, his injuries, his timeline, and his current diagnosis. The AI generated a medically grounded, VA-friendly Nexus letter that directly linked his chronic back issues to his service, with clear clinical language, citations from VA precedents, and no filler fluff. But we didn't stop there. We coached him through writing a personal statement that told the VA the human side of the story. Not just, "My back hurts," but, "I can't sit through a job interview because the pain is so intense it makes me dizzy. I've lost jobs, slept in my car, and battled depression, not because I'm lazy, but because I served and came back broken." The power of a statement like that is everything. It connects the dots the VA often misses. Together, the Nexus and the personal statement formed an undeniable case. But here's where it gets real. His first claim was still denied. Why? A missing DBQ and a vague summary from a rushed C&P exam. That moment, we caught on film the frustration, the pain, but also the resolve. We didn't quit. We used that denial as ammunition. We appealed the decision, attached a secondary claim linking his sciatica to his original back injury, and included a detailed CFR-cited appeal letter explaining the VA's error in evaluation. Within 60 days, we got the call. Approved. $3,450 a month, tax-free, for life. We captured that moment too, because it wasn't just a win for him. It was a blueprint for every other veteran feeling forgotten or lost in this system. We took a broken process and we turned it into a clear path. You don't need to be an expert. You just need the right tools and someone in your corner. That's why we built Vet Mentor AI, to give you everything we gave him: the checklists, the templates, the automated Nexus generator, the virtual veterans officer that explains your benefits in plain English. If you're watching this, you're not alone anymore. So don't stop here. Click the next video, where we break down the top 5 most common claim-killing mistakes veterans make and how to avoid each one with surgical precision. Your benefits aren't a handout, they're a contract. Let's go get what you earned, together.